I'm going to talk to you today about the concept of being a deputy. There are three options to support a situation when a patient or a person has lost capacity to make their own decisions. The first and best option is lasting power of attorney. This is put in place when you do have capacity and can choose your own trusted person or attorney to make decisions on your behalf. The second option is if somebody has lost capacity and has no power of attorney in place, then a deputy can be appointed to make decisions on that person's behalf. The final option is for an IMCA, an independent mental capacity advocate, to be appointed if somebody has no trusted person in place, is vulnerable, all alone, has no attorney and no deputy to act on their behalf. A deputy is a person appointed by the Court of Protection to make decisions, to help you, to support you make decisions on behalf of somebody who you are close to, who can no longer make their own decisions. Now, this is a complex legal process to become a deputy. You have to have the agreement of three people who you know well and who know the person who has lost capacity. Three people need to agree that you are the right person to be a deputy for this person. And then, following the process, the Court of Protection will give you a court order that will allow you to make decisions regarding health, welfare, property, finance on behalf of the person who is unwell. There are a lot of responsibilities that come with being a deputy. For instance, you have to supply the Court of Protection with an annual report. If you want to sell the person's house, you have to have a separate court order to do that because it has such huge ramifications. For instance, you may need to sell the house to pay for care. So that's a separate decision that the Court of Protection might give you, might allow you to do, or may not allow you to do. You have to demonstrate at all times that you're acting in the patient's best interest, which means you are acting in a way that you believe they would want you to act. Now, there are consequences if you don't act in that way. You could actually end up with a 5-year prison sentence. But thinking more positively, applying to be a deputy for somebody you love will ensure that the right decisions are made on their behalf, and it's a great thing to do. So do look into the detail on the government website. Particularly look at the Office of the Public Guardian, which will give you all the details you need. If you're interested in how an independent mental capacity advocate works, or the process of setting up a lasting power of attorney, we've provided more information in the videos linked below.